Hi everybody. This is gonna be a final session for the factoring and the distribution. 인수분해 이제 마지막이 될 것 같아요. Very basic and also very essential. Okay, x4n minus x second 2n times y 2n. Okay, so to trying to use a step formula, so I'm gonna split this part x2n times x2n because you have a x2n over there. So I'm trying to pull out the common factor. This is a common factor right there. Common factor. Common means the same thing. So kind of apple. 4 apple plus 3 apple is 7 apple, right? So pull out the apple front, and the 4 times 3 is 7. Same as this kind of things common. Same thing. Pull out in the front right there. The leftover. This is gone by this. Then x2n leftover is y2n, right? And then we're going to use one more step formula. Oh, I'm sorry, there's 2n right there. Then I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this part to adjust it xn to second power. Is it okay for you? Okay, yn to second power. If you're not sure about this, I'm going to explain to you. Okay, so change 2 to this is the same as 2 to 1. Just change the place. That's it. Okay, this is 8. This is 8 also. Okay. This is the same thing. That's why I just replace the right there. Replace this number over there. So make sure in xn to make a second power. Also I change this to yn to second power. Now this is apple. Now this is the star. Okay. Make sure this is apple. Xn is apple. This is a star. Not this one. Just yn. That's why apple square minus star square is apple plus star. Apple plus star times apple. This is apple minus star. That's xn times xn plus yn times xn minus yn. This is factoring. Okay. And this thing is also teach you about the before factoring basic procedure. First thing is pull out the common factor first. That means make it much easier. Okay, look at this: 80 times x squared minus 125. Okay, what's the common factor between 80 and 125? Number 5. So pull out in the front. Then this one is 16x second power. This is 25, right? And the 5 will just rewrite over there. 16x squared is 4x second power. 25 is 5 to second power. Then this is apple. 4x is apple. 5 is a star. That's right. Apple square minus star second power is apple plus star times apple minus star. That's why 5 times 4x plus 5 and 4x minus 5. Okay, this one is the same as pull out the common factor first. Okay, every time they ask a factoring, make sure pull out the common factor first, then think of the step formula. That's a good way. Shortcut. So look at this one. Look at this right there. Common things. So pull this out in the front right there. Leftover is, this was the same as 1 over s, making sure not 0. So pull out s. Leftover is t to second power minus 1 there, 1. And then this one is, we're going to use this one to t to second power. 1 the same as 1 to second power. That's why we're going to apple square minus star square So S times apple plus star times apple minus star. This one is also, I'm going to do it in a practice because I don't have enough time to cross time and match, cross multiply and match. So I'm going to do it in a 2 example, kind of bonus. Look at this one. People, you can do this 2x minus 4x minus 6. 이걸 하려고 그러면 먼저 cross multiply and match 하려고 그러면 that's fine too. But more shortcut이 더 쉬운 방법은 I remind you again, pull out the common factor between them. Not between, among them. So 2 is a common factor, 2, 4, 6. So pull out this first. Then left over, x squared, 2x minus 3. Then x squared is 2 right there. X is x times x. Minus 3 is minus 3 times plus 1. Also you can do plus 3 times minus 1. But once you cross multiply, it doesn't work. That's why I simply write down this times this, cross multiply. X plus minus 3 is a minus 3x. Okay. X plus 1, x times plus 1 is plus 1x. Adding minus 2x. Match. Equivalent. So answer is this, answer is this. So x minus 3 times x plus 1. Make sure 2 in there. So 2 times x minus 3, x plus 1. Okay, this one is almost the same as this. Make sure you have a minus number in the front. Make sure minus pull out. Get rid of a minus. Get rid of minus number, pull out first. That is much better. Even though you can do this, minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. You can do this, minus 2x plus x. If you do this way, it doesn't help you that much. Okay, you can have the same answer, but you have to do one more. That's why once you have a minus number in there, pull out by common factor, then pull out this, so left over is x squared, this is going to be change the sign, plus to minus 2x minus 3. Okay, this one is what you did over there. What you did over there. So I simply rewrite this part right there and the minus 2 right there. That's why minus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. Okay, thank you. Final thing is, I don't have enough time for cross multiply and matching things. Once you have a book, try to couple maybe several questions that you can solve by yourself. Then you are very familiar with that. Very simple idea. That's good. Thank you.